Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Education Hub. This is my 7th lecture on statistics for data science. In this lecture module, we will learn about the median of group data on median for group frequency distribution with an example. A group data is the data that has been organized into group or classes. As we have discussed in previous video, median is one of the measures of central tendency. Let us solve a problem on median of group data. The daily expenses of 198 families in a city are given below. Here we have provided data according to daily expenses in terms of rupees of 198 families. Now we carefully notice we have given information in class interval, and there is a upper limit and there is a lower limit. So this means that data have been already organized into group. So this is a group data. Now we need to find the median daily expenses for this group data. Before we moved on median of daily expenses, we need to keep in certain things in our mind. First of all, we have been provided with the frequency, that is the total number of families, that is the 198 families. Also we will find something called as the cumulative frequency distribution, which help us to calculate the median of this group data. The best way to organize any data to tabulated form. So the first column in a table should be something that is given to us, that is the daily expenses in terms of rupees. Now we will list it down, that we have to keep in mind that that it is ascending or descending order, and it is already have been arranged in the ascending order. So we will keep it as it is. The second thing should be the frequency or number of families, that is the rate of something which is occur. So that just means that 48 number of families have daily expenses of 0 to 100 rupees, 37 number of families have a daily expenses of 100 to 200 rupees, and so on. So now we know the frequency of all the families, so let us total it up and we will get the 198 families. Now we moved on to something that is called as a cumulative frequency or CF, which is denoted as CF, which I have told. The cumulative frequency is a running frequency. We know already that a frequency 0 to 100 rupees is 48 and 100 to 200 is 37, which you can see here. Now if we need to find till 200, so anything below 200 will be the total frequency till 200. It will compromises the frequency of 0 to 100 classes in class interval and 100 to 200 class interval, that is 48 plus 37, which is nothing but the 85. If we find out the frequency till 300, then we will take everything that is below 300, which means the frequency of 0 to 100, 100 to 200 and 200 to 300, and we will total it up and we will get the 117. So it is nothing but a running frequency at every stage of class interval. And if we go this way, that is the last frequency that we will get should be equal to the total frequency 198 after we will organize the data and found it cumulative frequency. And we will consider the total number of frequency n, which is 198, and half take the half of this value, that is the 99, because this value help us to find the median of the group data. Now we will see the class interval, that is which have a cumulative frequency greater than 99. Let us see which that class interval. So the class interval 200 to 300 has a cumulative frequency 117, which is greater than 99 and closest to the 99. Greater than the 99 and closest to 99 is a cumulative frequency, the 170s, and 145 or 199 98 is also greater than 99, but these values are not closest to the 99, so does not consider about this value. Now take the class of these median classes 200 to 300. Size of the class is the 100, that is the upper limit minus lower limit. Frequency of this median class is 32. Cumulative frequency and very important thing, we have to keep in mind the cumulative frequency CF of the class preceding is the median class is the 85. Now take the value of the 85, which is the just preceding class of the cumulative frequency, which we have considered, which is very close to the 99, and take the value is the 85, which is very closest to the which is the preceding value of the this closest value, that is this closest value. This will be helpful to in the calculation of the median of the group data. Now we know all these things and we go to find out the median of group data. This is the formula of the median of group data. L is the lower limit, and by 2 we have calculated. CF is the 85, which we have understood why we will take 85, and frequency is just the preceding value of the model class frequency. F is the model class frequency. H is the lower limit of the H is the size of the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. Here the 200 is the lower limit of the model class. 99 is the value of the total half of the total number of families, that is the total frequency. 85 is the just preceding frequency cumulative frequency of the model cumulative frequency. 32 is the frequency of the model class. 100 is the size of the model class interval. 243.75 is the total expense, daily expenses. Hence the median daily expenses is 243.75 rupees, and this is the value of the median for the group data. The next video is related to the mode of a problem related to the mode on group data. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe.